Assalamualaikum. My name is Shahmi. In this video, I will show you our project. Okay, this is our project e-menu application. We are using Python to build this project, and for the GUI, we use Tkinter. Let me show you the coding. This is the top section, which we can see here. The e-menu application title. For the menu section, okay, these are the coding for the GUI for this section for food and also drinks. Just get the data from the file. I will show you after this how I get the data from the files. And this function, we populate the menu. We get all the menu list and we call this generate card, and we make a card for each item, each data, and I'm using grid to display all this menu. And for the drinks, also same, but we are using the different data from different files. We create a canvas for this menu so that we can scroll the menu. This is the code how I display the image inside the application. First, we get the image file inside this image folder. It contains all the image files, and then I resize it and I put it inside the label, and I just display it using grid. Okay, this add to cart function. This array, when we press the add button, this data will be added into this array, and then I call the populate summary function to update this section. And if I click this button, okay, it will call the remove added item function, and it will remove that item from the array, and we call the populate summary again to update this section. So when we click checkout, okay, it will appear the pop-up that your order has been placed. Okay, so this checkout, here is the button of checkout, and when we press it, it will call the pop-up window. Here, the function for pop-up window, and this is what you see just now. So we have two Python files here, main and menu. Main is for the GUI, and menu contains two classes, which is the menu items and menu. Okay, menu items is the class for each item. So this item contains the name of this image, PNG, the name of the item, the price, and also the ID. Okay, before I show you what this e-menu class did, so first we see the data files. First, strings.txt and also food.txt. You can see that in this data file we have the image file name, the name, and also the price. Same like the food, cheesebar.png, cheeseburger, and also the price. Okay, so in this menu, okay, what this menu did is, first, when we create an instance of this class, so we will give the type, for example, food, and then we give the file name, for example, here food.txt. Okay, here it will call this method read menu file. Here it will read this file, and then the menu list will contain all the menus inside the file. This is the, okay, we look for each line, and then we just create an array. We replace the new line with the empty string. Okay, and then we close the file. Okay, what this function did is, we get the string, this string, and we will separate all these three part by this semicolon here. we split it using the semicolon, and then we remove all the white space. Okay, and here we create the menu item of each menu, and then we put it inside the menu list, and then we replace the menu list, this menu list, with the new menu list. So then we can get the type for this menu, and also we can get the this one, we can get the list of all menu. That's all from me. Right, thank you.